personality.
Bear with me, buddy. And just look over that camera and tell everybody that you love and all your friends, wish them a Merry, Merry Christmas.
I love you, United States. I give you a happy, happy Christmas.
Ladies and gents, all known as the incredibly talented singer, please welcome Kelly Pickler. You look so beautiful. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it. You're real sweet.